It's no secret that vinyl fencing has become an incredibly popular choice for homeowners in recent years, and when it comes to installation, opting for a no-dig vinyl fence can offer some great benefits for the installers and the homeowners. The no-dig process is faster, cleaner, and saves money on labor and cleanup costs. However, installing a fence without digging requires some additional fittings to ensure the finished fence has a strong support system. In this video, we're going to walk you through the different post-mounting bracket options for no-dig vinyl fence posts. Hi, we're DF Supply, a distributor for fencing products and access control, here to bring you another informational guide. Before we dive into the different fittings, let's take a look at how a no-dig vinyl fence works. This type of fence installation bypasses the need for digging by using galvanized steel posts that are driven directly into the ground. These steel posts become the structural foundation of the fence, and then vinyl post sleeves are slipped over the top. This not only makes installation simpler, but it also opens up the possibility of upgrading a chain-link fence to a vinyl fence using the pre-existing steel posts that are already in the ground. Now, as you can imagine, the gap between the steel post and the vinyl fence sleeve needs some additional support to keep the post stable and level. This is where post-mounting brackets come in. All post-mounting brackets serve the same purpose, filling the space between the inner steel post and the outer vinyl sleeve. Some of the more popular types of mounting brackets include post-leveling collars, more commonly known as donuts, easy-set brackets, and Rook post mount kits. Post-leveling collars, aka donuts, are typically made in a rounded shape and are meant to be used for traditional round steel pipe. These donuts are typically made to be used for 5x5 vinyl posts and pipes with an outer diameter of 2 3/8 inches. However, you can purchase an adapter that will fit 1 7/8 inch pipe if needed. A lot of vinyl fence donuts look like this, but you may also see some that are made up of two pieces like this. These two-piece leveling collars work the same way as traditional donuts, but the two-piece design makes adjustments a little bit easier. There are also donuts that are made of steel and are specifically made for 1 7/8 inch round steel pipe. The stronger material and square design offers a bit more strength and stability, which may be necessary to support the fence when smaller pipes are being used. Easy set brackets are also a popular choice for mounting no-dig vinyl posts. These brackets offer a wider range of sizes and fitting options, which may be desirable if your fence configuration is more complex. For starters, easy set brackets are offered for both round and square pipe, with different sizes available for each pipe shape. Plus, unlike the donuts, these post-mounting brackets offer configurations made to fit either 4x4 or 5x5 vinyl fence posts. While most of these easy set brackets look like this, there are also some that are made specifically from aluminum that provide a stronger hold but fewer sizing options. Rook kits are the most expensive option when it comes to post-mounting brackets, but they offer a very secure hold. The increased surface area means there are more touch points between the vinyl post sleeve and the interior steel posts. More touch points means more stability and less of a gap. These Rook kits are only available for round steel pipe, but multiple sizes are offered for both the pipe and the vinyl posts. Now that we've gone through all the different options of post-mounting brackets, it's time for you to choose which will work best for you. All of the different types that we went over in this video will provide you with proper stability for your no-dig vinyl fence. Price, sizing, and durability should be the main factors you focus on when selecting a post-mounting bracket, but ultimately the choice is up to you. Check out vinylfencefittings.com to learn more about vinyl fencing or to view our collection of vinyl fence products. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 888-378-1189. Thanks for watching and happy fencing!